What's up, motherfuckers? Now, I've been cleaning this girl. I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but I took her out, shot her a bunch, come back, neglected to clean her. So, what had happened here is this here little pestin dilly, she done got seized up. I wasn't sure if she was seized up down under there or down up under here yonder. Anywho, she wouldn't fucking budge. She's supposed to do this. She's supposed to fucking move on you, right? So push down, pull her out up, you got your spring in there. Okay. Now, none of that was happening. So, what I had to do, and you might have to do this too. Now, you never should bang on it with much, but I had to. So got my little popper doodler down there, son. Now you look down there. Can't really see none. Anywho, there's a little bit of a lip. Yeah, I'm gonna stick something down on there. Give her a little tappy to with the hammer. She'll come on loose for you. No worries. Okay. Then you give her a good cleaning. This used to be black. I got some more cleaning to do. Still a little fucking dirty. So I'm going to give her a nice old rim job. I'm going to clean her up some. Anywho, clean her up. Clean up down there yonder. Stick a raccoon in there. Like raccoons fucking. Anywho, thank you.